Welcome to the front of me UleFone Note 13P, and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app on this device. So first, let's open the Play Store application, and here in the search pool we should enter Ampere. And now we should get this application. That's why just tap to install and then wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, we just should open the application, tap here yes I agree, click to close, tap to OK, and now we can see here information about our device battery health, and in my case it's good. Also we can find here more information like the battery level, temperature of our battery, capacity, voltage, just model of our device, Android version, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.